Class 9th Geography, Chapter Structure of the Earth continued. This is the second part of this chapter. The Earth is composed of three parts, that is crust, mantle and core. Crust or lithosphere. The word lithosphere has been taken from a Greek word lithos, meaning rock. The outer layers of the Earth's structure is about 6 to 48 kilometers thick and consists of two layers, Sial and Sima. Sial consists of solid or continental parts of the Earth's crust. They are composed of many kinds of rocks, which have the density and composition of granite. This granite layer is often called Sial because of the predominance of silica and aluminium in its composition. The granite layer or Sial floats on Sima. Sima, the lower continuous layer termed as Sima because of its richness in silica and magnesium, have an average density and composition similar to that of the common black volcanic lava called basalt. This basaltic layer directly lies under the ocean floor and here forms the thinnest part of the Earth's crust. The crust on the whole is thickest beneath the mountain and thinnest under the ocean. It is composed of various kinds of rocks. Its uppermost part consists of sedimentary rocks. Thus, the granitic layer consisting of mostly continents and basaltic layer of oceans form the upper layer of the Earth called the crust. Sial is a discontinuous layer floating over the continuous layer of Sima. The contact zone of the crust and mantle is called Mohorovič's discontinuity, after the Yugoslavic scientists who discovered it. Mantle. Earth's second layer is mantle, a layer between the crust and the core, with its upper boundary marked by the Mohorovič's discontinuity and its lower boundary by the Gutenberg discontinuity. The depth of mantle varies between 35 kilometers to 2900 kilometers. This layer is composed of magnesium and iron silicates, along with substantial quantities of sulfides in the upper mantle and nickel and iron in the lower mantle. The mantle is divided into two parts, the upper mantle or asthenosphere, the lower mantle or the mesosphere. The lower part of asthenosphere, like mesosphere, is solid, but the upper part of asthenosphere is in partially molten state. Barosphere or core consists of two layers, outer core and inner core. Core. The central part of the Earth is known as core. It probably consists of a dense nickel iron alloy, that is knife, with a temperature estimated to be about 2700 degrees Celsius. This outer core exists in molten form. The inner core, with a radius of 1400 kilometers, is believed to consist of knife, but is forced into a solid state by increased pressure. 3 million tons greater at the center of the Earth than at the surface. The density of this layer ranges from 14.5 to 16. Temperature also increases sharply with descent into Earth until it may reach at least 4000 degrees Celsius. Here ends this chapter.